Where I am designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. So it is the beginning of November, but I am super excited about the holidays because my trees came in and Dakota actually knows that it's going to be Christmas this year. Say ho ho ho, Merry Christmas.
Ha ha ha, mine thinking.
So yeah, so today me and Dakota, mainly me, decorated the tree today. And I'm just going to bring you guys along with me as I decorate it. As I said last year, I really wanted to get me a Christmas tree that was flocked with the snow look on it, and I definitely got that this year. So I combined some new pieces along with my same decor from last year to create this magical metallic-y Christmas tree that you see behind me, and I'm super excited to share with you guys. So stay tuned, and if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the designer family. And guys, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you think about this tree, and let me know what your theme for your tree this year will be. Hi guys, so we're about to get started decorating, and as you can see, I already have the tree up and the lights on. Just to save us some time, this tree did not come pre-lit, so I did have to add the string lights throughout. And I do have the same gold base that I used last year that I purchased from Homegoods. It was just a tad bit too small for this tree, but I paid enough for that, so I made it work. And this tree is 9.5 feet tall, and I will definitely have it linked down below for you guys if you are interested in purchasing. So as far as ornaments go this year, guys, I have mostly a lot of the same ones that I had from last year. I was able to go out to the stores I went to last year to find a lot of these same ornaments. And then I did add a few extras, like some new flowers over here, these, and then I got some more of the longer ones with the stems for my topper. But I'll show you guys all the details on all my ornaments once we get to hanging up and decorating the tree. So the first thing I'm going to start off with are my pretty glittered stems with pearls. I'll give you guys a close-up once I'm done. I like to start off doing the topper first. These are the next things that I'm going to add. I couldn't find any more of these in the store, so these are the same ones that I had from last year. And I'm going to incorporate these. And these are the last things that I will be incorporating into my topper. I just remembered that I actually put these in the front of the topper to complete, so I'm going to go ahead and add those to the top, and then the topper will be done. Alright guys, so this is what the topper looks like once I add all the final pieces. Alright, so next up are going to be my boas. I also used these on my tree last year because I wanted a flocked tree, which are the ones with the snowy look. But I didn't get one last year, and as I said last year, I was going to have one this year, which I did. And so I'm thinking I still want to incorporate my boas because they gave my tree a bit of extra glam mixed in with all the pretty ornaments. So I definitely think that I'm going to go ahead and still incorporate them in with the snow. I'm going to go ahead and see how it looks at least before I nix the idea. So. Next up on the list is going to be putting anything on the tree that has to be stuck in it. So I have like these pretty balls that I got out of Hobby Lobby that comes 3 to a cluster. Oh, and Dakota, show them, hold on, show them. And then I have the bigger version that Dakota has in her hand that I have to put on there. Then I have these really pretty silver flowers. I got some tan colored ones that are really, really pretty. And all the flowers like these come on sticks. And as you can see, the amount of glitter on them is so obnoxious. It's getting all over my floor, so I'm gonna have a ton of sweeping to do. I also have these beads from last year that kind of tie into the beading stems that are on the topper. And then I have some more flowers that I also had from last year. And I got these this year. I'm gonna add to the tree. And then I have these pretty gold leaves from last year as well. So that's what's up next. This is how it's looking after I've added all of my decorations that just had to be like stuck into the tree. I think it looks super pretty. Alright guys, so these are the actual ornaments that I'm going to be incorporating into my tree today. I just reboxed everything from last year. The only new ones I got are this set and this set. Everything else is from last year. I really wanted some more of these, but they did not have them in the at-home store this year, so I'm going to check another one just to double check. But if I find more of those, I'm definitely going to get some more of those to incorporate into the tree. But everything else is from last year. did enjoy this video. And again, if you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe if you have not done so already to join the designer family. And go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below to let me know what your theme is this year. Have you already started decorating and all of that good stuff? So I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye. Bye guys.